Hey, welcome to another video. Happy weekend. It's Saturday. It is a beautiful cloudy weather. It's summer and the Tesla Model 3 Performance is quite dirty from all the pollen and dust. So today join me as we're going to wash this car together. This is of course a non-sponsored video, but I'm going to be using some of my favorite car wash products for this Tesla. We have first of all the Sonax Wash and Shine Shampoo, which cleans very well as a pre-wash and as a main contact wash. Absolutely makes it scratch free, which is very nice for this ultra red paint, as you can see. And then afterwards I'll dry it off with this Sonax Drying Towel, and I'll be using this Brilliant Shine Detailer, which lasts really long and gives a very nice shine to the car. I'll be using the Sonax foam sprayer as a pre-wash to get this car all beautiful foamed up. And let's inspect the car itself. So it's just rained a little bit, but I have on the top here, you can probably see it, a lot of this dust, a lot of this pollen, but especially Sahara dust, because it rained a bit last night. With the help of this Sonax snow foam device and this wash and shine shampoo, which is incredibly slick, I'm going to show you how you can clean that completely scratch free and protect your ultra red Tesla or any other car that's dear to you. I hope you enjoy the video. Los geht's. So first step is to use this Sonax shampoo, Wash and Shine, which has this nice orange copperish color. Smells a bit like oranges, and I'm going to be using 45 milliliter of this approximately, because we have this 3 liter snow foam sprayer, and that's very little for a beautiful snow foam. And as you can see, with 1 liter for only like 5 euros or something, or 6 euros on Amazon, I'll put links in the description. That's very economical pre-wash. Ja, sehr schön. Rein damit. So, into the snow foam can. Has really a beautiful color. And my foam sprayer has this nice indicator on the side with pints and with liters. So I can see clearly once I reach 3 liter and I can stop it. Sehr schön. So better not to go much higher than this 3 liter. Because the rest we're going to use as pressure. And because this one is slightly bigger than those hand pumps, you don't need to pump like a crazy monkey all the time. Which makes this whole hand car wash experience of such a device much more nice. Oh yeah, and before you get started with something like this, I recommend turning it upside down a couple of times, so the product can mix well. And of course make sure that you first put the water and then the shampoo, so not like I did, stupid me. I need to drink more coffee to wake up. So, because else you're going to create a massive foam, of course, inside the thing. And that's not what you want. You can see it's nice and orange, so let's start with the snow. And pump the snow foam sprayer a couple of times like this, until this ventile starts hissing at you. Then you know you're done. So, you can see what a nice snow foam it creates. Very easy. The device does all the work for you, you just need to move your hand up and down. I really love this. It's very simple. You can take it always with you. You don't need power or electricity. Not massive amounts of water. And it just works. Let's take a closer look at that. This is very beautiful. So, and as you remember, we use so little shampoo. And look how perfect it stays on the car. And it is thick enough. It drips nicely. And this is going to make sure that all this dust that we had will be dissolved, so we can do a safe contact wash. Sehr schön. I really like this device. So, also make sure that we do this beautiful warp wheels a little bit. Sehr schön. Look how nice it's white and it stays on the wheels. They'll also get super clean in the contact wash. Yeah, most of the bugs will also get dissolved this way, so it's less likely that we'll need an insect cleaner, which makes it very economical and very safe also to remove insects, because they'll fly away by themselves. Auf Wiedersehen. So, the whole car has been pre-washed. It's dripping nicely. The pre-wash is happening by itself. And now it's time to rinse off the car before we get started with the contact wash. Sehr schön. So let's wash off the car. I like to start on the top, so that the product drips down nicely. And first I go with this slight mist, so that I agitate the snow foam even more. And you get these nice foam layers here that drip down the car. And then once that's done, I'll go to a bit more stronger mode to make sure I get all the remaining dirt off. This is quite nice. So with this portable snow foam cannon and then something like this, yeah, it's quite strong as you can see. I'm also able to get the job done. But maybe in the winter I'll still opt for the high pressure washer. I think it'll be able to get it off. This one's from Lidl. But yeah, maybe in the winter when you have really stuck debris on your car, this is not strong enough and I need a high pressure washer. But let me know, do you insist on the high pressure washer or do you use something like this also? I don't think in 99% of the cases it's going to cause any scratches. And I'm also, you know, a bit wary of high pressure washers, especially in certain angles or too close or with flying up debris and with paint. Let me know if you had any bad experience with high pressure washers on nice cars like this and write me in the comments. I mean, it of course takes much longer, but it really gets the job done. Even all the insects came off. Sehr schön. So, moving on to the next stage. I've just put 2 cups. Well, I put 2.5, which is too much because I have 9 liter and they say 2 cups on 10 liter. I always like to overpour. I also like to overpour in my drinks. Sehr schön. So this is more than enough and very little actually, if you think about it, to get a very slick contact wash. So let's foam it up and let's get started with the contact. And before we get started, let's see what the Sonax Wash and Shine managed to do already. As a pre-wash, you can see how nice the shine is of the car. The ultra red of the Tesla Model 3 Performance starts coming alive again. Very nice. There are some tree saps and pollens and dust on here. Everything has been dissolved and removed. And of course the remaining traffic film that's on there, we're going to, you can see it here how it dries. So there's definitely still dirt on there. So we're going to wash this too now by hand and then the car will look spectacular. Let's go. We're going to create a very nice foam here. I really like it. I love washing by hand. And with this shampoo and with such colors and smells, you have so many different products and so many smells and how it looks. It really enhances the contact wash. So yeah, let me know what's your favorite shampoo. A member from my channel introduced me to this one and I really love it. It's great. Beautiful, nice, thick foam that stays and doesn't dissolve. Beautiful suds as you can see. Very nice Sonax shampoo and very slick also. And this is going to make sure that we cannot do anything wrong with our contact wash as long as you use a proper 2 bucket method. Or what I use a 1 bucket method. I have only this one and I use like 8 different wash mitts to wash my car. Sehr schön, los geht's. Incredibly slick here, you can see. So I use about one wash mitt, one of these microfiber ones, very nice and soft per panel. I flip it around and then I replace it. And like this you don't need to worry about 2 buckets, all this trouble moving it from one bucket in another bucket. You just leave it, put it aside. I have this big sponge here and what I do is from time to time I put new foam on the car and then you buy these wash mitts. You buy good ones for like $8, $10. One-time investment, lasts really long. And then guaranteed you'll wash your car scratch free. Let me know whether you're a 1 bucket or 2 bucket guy. I think this is great and very easy. Write me in the comments. I'll continue with the rest of the car. And I love how this shampoo smells and how it glides. It just glides over the hood. I find it fantastic. And it's beautiful. I mean, it's Saturday. See, there's nobody on the street yet. It's like 8:30. It's wonderful. Time for me in my car. Mindfulness. I really love it. So I'll finish the car and then I'll show you the final result before we put on the Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer. Oh yeah, and just before I'm done, I like to take, well, a wheel cleaner. In this case I don't need to do it because it's already relatively clean. But then hand wash in between these wheels. Of course, with one of them that doesn't have particles in them. You don't want to scratch your wheels. And then also clean those thoroughly. And then make sure you put this aside so you don't accidentally reuse it. And then rinse it off. And then we also have beautiful shiny wheels. I'm planning to put some sealant on these in my next video. So if you want to see what that looks like, please subscribe. And by doing so, I'm going to see if the wheels stay cleaner longer and whether it indeed the brand new green that I'll use, whether it will manage to block brake dust. I really like how it sounds. Do you hear that? Sounds a bit like cows in the Austrian Alps that have these bells on their neck. It reminds me of my nice summer vacation in the Alps. Sehr schön. So let's take a look together at the result after the contact wash with Sonax Wash and Shine. Very beautiful. The Tesla Performance Bed shines again. The whole car shines. And it's a super safe shampoo. I really love it. See, my son can finally look outside again and look at the beautiful surroundings from his premium seat in the Tesla in the back. Love this ultra red, so the shampoo really brings it back to life. Absolutely stunning. And now we're going to dry off the car and then put on the quick detailer from Sonax, which stays on quite long, is very strong, and smells delicious like cocos. And this car is also then better protected against the elements, dirt, road dust, some bugs, rain and dirt will fly off. There's beautiful beading and sheening, which I'll show you. And then we have achieved the weekend car wash mission. So let's continue. On to the next stage, the drying towel, das Trocknen. I have this very nice Sonax Trockentuch. Yeah, I mean, if you've been following me, I've been complaining about it in my videos that I would love to have a bigger one. But on the other hand, this one works so good and it's so effective that I still have it. Let me show you. And basically all you need to do is put it upside down and then take two hands and then go like this over your car. What I like to do, see, I just like to fold it in quarters and then just go over the car. All the water gets absorbed into the drying towel. And then we have a clean, almost dry surface to put on the detailer. It's absolutely stunning result. The drying towel is so good because it really helps to prevent water spots. And if you're going to be hand washing outside, make sure you do it when there's overcast like this, or under a cover, not when it's hot, because then the water spots will burn straight into the car paint. And also make sure that when you're done, that you take your drying towel, your alloy wheels, especially if you have dark ones like these warp wheels from Tesla, because else you'll have also water spots all over and it'll just look ugly. And for the final stage of the car wash routine, Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer. I've had this bottle for a long time already. It shows you that you don't need too much of this product and it protects really well, smells great. I really like it. And for this stage, get yourself like 4 of these microfiber towels. We're going to spray them on a little bit per panel, distribute them and then buff them off with the other side of the towel. Los geht's. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already too much, but I'm of course Dr. Overspray. You can also do a small spray in the towel like this, with some cross, and then you have a bit of extra gliding with your car. So let's distribute it. And this Sonax, that smells like cocos. It's so delicious. I think you'll really like it. Go give it a try. And these areas here underneath that see the most dirt, you can even do, let's say, a separate spray there. And then you have this area even better protected. You can just immediately wipe it off, and you can see it glides over the car door, glides over the paint. It's very beautiful. Very easy to use, hard to do anything wrong here. So also underneath where I was. And then this panel, yeah, the shine is just fantastic. I hope you can see it already in the camera. It'll get even better. And the paint is super smooth. So that's all it took. I think you can do the whole car in like 10 minutes. And then I'll show you the final result. And here on the front where you have all these insects, I always like to spray a little bit extra, because then I create a stronger protective layer there. And then if you were to have, let's say, insects there that you can't remove immediately and that stay in the sun, your lock has extra protection. And yeah, that'll hopefully be enough until you wash your car. They should also come off easier. So that's another quick tip against insects damage. The annoying bugs that can really harm your paint. Yeah, just put a bit of this Sonax on there, a little bit extra, and then you're better protected against the elements. Sehr schön. So, we're all done. That concludes my Tesla Model 3 Performance hand car wash using only my favorite Sonax products. we've used as a pre-wash and as a main contact wash this Wash and Shine Shampoo, which really brings the paint back alive and is so slick. I think it is the safest shampoo you can get. This one, and there's also a rich foam shampoo, which is from Sonax also. Yeah, I think it's a error-proof, fault-proof shampoo if you use the right dosages. Super well, super good shampoo. I think it really over-delivers on what it promises, and that for only a few euros. And then afterwards we've used Brilliant Shine Detailer. Yeah, also readily available, not expensive, but very durable, very easy to apply, smells good. In some areas I didn't even buff it off, I just distributed it only with the microfiber cloth. And I see no streaking whatsoever on the car here. Let's walk on it together. I've inspected these panels. Yeah, I really see nothing. It's just a beautiful, shining. It looks absolutely stunning. Too bad the sun. Too bad the sun is not shining for this final result. But yeah, if you subscribe to my channel, I'll show you in a couple of shorts that I'll make how it performs the beading and the sheeting, and also after a few weeks. And please subscribe also to my channel if you want to see more content like this. I really enjoyed showing you this today, and I hope you were able to understand my passion and why I like to do that. Very easy routine. You can hand wash your car, if you're not filming like me all the time, in 30 minutes, and then you've done it thoroughly. And then 10-15 minutes more, put this detailer on, and your car is super well protected against the elements. And I also have tutorials how you can do this fast in the winter, also without freezing your hands if you do this outside. I'm going to go inside, have breakfast and have a coffee. I wish you a fantastic weekend and hope to see you again in my future videos. Auf Wiedersehen.